like a vision you couldn't see.
Number 1. Holy Grail 20p. One of the most rare 20p, is an error coin, with no date at all. Collectors have been known to search far and wide for the valuable 20p, ever since it entered circulation, in 2008. Back then, the Royal Mint decided to change the positioning of the date on every 20p piece, moving it from the back to the front. But in an accidental error, a batch of between 50,000 and 250,000 coins was released without any date at all. The undated 20p became the first coin in 300 years to enter circulation without a date, making it highly sought after by collectors. The Royal Mint website says, the undated 20p coin remains legal tender, so you can use it in shops. That means, one could very easily wind up in your spare change. We checked eBay, and found that one of these error coins sold for £69 on June 4th. Although in the past, they have sold for as much as £90 on eBay. So have a look at the 20p in your wallet, and if you notice the date is missing, you could be quids in. Number 2. Bronze 20p. One of the most rare error coins is the valuable bronze 20p, of which a few have been discovered in recent years. In 2017, a collector reported finding a 1987 20p coin, which appeared to have a very different finish to the others you had usually find in your change. The collector had assumed that the coin had been plated, but decided to send it off to the Royal Mint to be absolutely sure. After examining the coin by X-ray fluorescent spectrometry, the Royal Mint confirmed that the bronze 20p was the result of an extremely rare minting error. It was ascertained that a bronze blank, which would usually be used for the production of 1p pieces, had been mistakenly used to strike this 20p. Since then, in 2018, another collector found a 1990 coin which he also had checked by the Royal Mint, and was found to have the same bronze base. These coins are extremely rare, and we could not find any examples online of how much they could go for if their seller decided to list the find on the likes of eBay. But a 2p error coin, on a silver plate, sold for £1,350 back in 2016, so a bronze 20p could go for just as much, if not more, if the owner decided to sell it. In the past, a bronze 20p has also been valued for £750. Number 3. Blank face 20p. A one-off manufacturing mistake meant that this 20p sold for over 2,000 times its value in 2021. The error coin is missing the design on one of its faces. The queen head is still intact, but there is nothing on the reverse where the tails should be. The 20p missing a face is caused when two blanks are stacked up on the press and are struck at one time. This results in a pair of uni-face coins, where each only has one's face, and the other sides are blank. These can be centered or off-centered. So somewhere out there is another 20p, with this coin missing design on, twice. Impressively, the listing started at a mere 99p, only taking 7 days to rocket to the £430 final call. Errors like this are extremely rare, so if you ever spot one with a missing design, it is probably best to hold on to it, because it could be worth a fortune to a collector. We do not often see them in our change, but if you were lucky enough to find one, then it would be worth holding onto, as they are particularly sought after by collectors, as shown by the high price this one sold for. Back in 2020, a rare double strike £1 coin sold on eBay for £282. The coin, minted in 2018, has been struck twice, so the writing around the outside has been doubled up, and the queen head is not aligned in